Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your laptop as brand new. So I'm going to delete everything from my PC and make it to the default setting as it was when we bought it. So we are going to restart and format the PC. So to do that, first of all, I'll right click your start menu and here go to the settings option. And here on the search option you can simply type reset this PC and select this option, or you can go to the update and security option here and scroll down, and here you can see the option recovery. Click it, and here you can see the option reset this PC. So I'm going to select the get started option here, and here you can have two choice, keep my files. If you choose this, all the apps and the settings will be deleted, and the file that you have on your PC, like any videos or any documents, will remain. But if you select this one, remove everything, all your apps and your personal file will be removed. So I'm going to select this one, and make sure if you are using your laptop, it is connected to your power source. So after that you have two more options: install the Windows from the cloud or install the Windows locally. So I'm going to select the local reinstallation option, and here are some additional options: remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, delete all the files only from the desktop drive, reinstall Windows from this device. And here are other options like change settings. You can change settings as you like, but I'm going to click the confirm option here and select next. And this thing won't take long, the thing is getting ready. And as you can see, resetting will remove all the personal files and user account on this PC, remove any change made to the settings, remove all application, reinstall Windows from this device. And after that, simply click the reset and your PC will reset and remove everything, and it will go back to the stage when you bought this PC, like a brand new PC. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.